How to generate DHgate affiliate link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can generate DHgate affiliate link. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your web browser and head over to aff.dhgate.com. Now this is the website for your affiliate account. After you do that, here you will find yourself here. Make sure you're logged in as well. Then enter your workplace. After that, you will need to find the product of which you want to generate the link of. So head over to this product option right here on the left sidebar. Then go to all products and search for a product that you want. So make sure that you keep in mind the commission as well. So after you find a good commission rate and you're satisfied with that, you can then tap on that very product. So I'll just do it on this bracelet. My bad, it's a necklace. And after you do that, you can now generate a link for it. So you can scroll down, and after you're satisfied with the product, come back here, tap on generate link, and it will start generating the link. You can choose your media, your tracking source, and everything else, and your link type. Then tap on generate. You can also you can also download the image here as well. Then copy the link, or you can copy everything here. And after you copy it, you can go ahead and start pasting it where you want. And it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you can generate DHgate affiliate link. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.